Hello everyone! Welcome back to late summer in the Rocky Mountains. It is August now, and Dominic and I have been getting out camping a lot. We pack up our modified Forerunner and get out and about. Pretty fun. Wow. Cool car. Very cool. Caked with mud. We have also been enjoying an abundance of summer fruits. Summer fruits are just my favorite. But in between the fruits, I eat other things. This time I made myself tuna roll-up with a piece of celery inside. Gotta get a pinch of nuts to eat as well. Yummy. Replenish the energy. It's been hot and dry, but up in the mountains it's cooler and moister. Wow, so beautiful. Look at that. It is beautiful and enjoyable to go to sleep in a beautiful place, but it is even more wonderful to wake up in a beautiful place. At least that's how I feel. It is some real goodness out here. Each one of us has different things that make us feel alive and like life is full and good and worth living. Being outside in nature is a big one for me. Dominic and I connect well on that aspect, and so we get out together a lot. It's good to feel small and insignificant and a part of the larger whole.
Say no, and then Robert reconsider when he was in front.
Yeah, I would turn around too.
So gorgeous, though.
We have been finding a lot of wild raspberries along our path.
As big as the deadwood.
Not quite. There's another bush with a lot on it.
Yeah, well, laden
with treasures.
Yeah.
But as good as the wild raspberries are, they don't really fill you up. So we came back to the car for a snack. It's been a pretty dry summer, so there have been a lot of wildfires. That haze is smoke from them. Pictures of it and its beautiful camping spot. Sounds good. I hadn't seen any on mine. Getting the lobber in its camping spot. The mornings are always a little chilly. This one was not too bad though. Dominic made coffee for himself and hot tea for me. And then it was time for a drone flight. It was a little windy, but we had a great time paddleboarding on the lake. There's a bunch of swallows up there. Probably can't see them little black dots in the sky. I think they're rough-winged swallows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. A lot of swallows up there in the sky. It's fun. Enjoying a walk after work. In the cooler mornings or evenings, sometimes I let the bunnies come outside. Murphy comes out sometimes for a little while, but Maud is the one who really loves it. Today she had a bunch of energy, so I took her outside so she could dig in the dirt. Hello. When we came back inside, Murphy was waiting for us. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.